amazing. I'm so happy that my family's here to see it, and to share it with other people is always so special. Beautiful day. Good morning and welcome to Krabi, Thailand. So we've been traveling for the last couple days here in Krabi with my family. It's been really relaxing, peaceful, going over to Railay Beach, just really relaxing and getting some good family time in. So we haven't really been vlogging, but today we're going to take you along on our boat tour. We are going to Hong Island. We are doing a Hong Island tour on a longtail, and we got a private boat, so that's really nice. Unfortunately, it's not this boat. We'll take you along for the day, so let's get going. So today we will be traveling with my dad. My dad was a captain in the Navy, so he's already taking charge of this boat. And also Chloe, my younger sister, Kelly, my older sister, Ash, her boyfriend, and Kara, Chloe's friend, and of course me and Gustav. And our captain of the boat, Karim.
Beautiful weather, beautiful clouds, sunshiny day, can't get better than this.
And time with family. Such a perfect day.
Just drove my first long-tail boat, and pretty hard to control, but you know, I got relieved by the captain, so I'm comfortable that we're going to make it there safe and sound. But I mean, I think I had it. I've driven a boat here and there in my time, so I thought I was doing okay, but I got relieved of command, and now here I am. That's pretty cool. Like, it has two steering. You can steer with the engine and you can steer with the rudder. It was good. I appreciate him letting me do it. It's his boat. He doesn't have to do that.
So just a quick 45-minute ride over to Hong Island, and we're here. So we're gonna get off here and we're gonna walk up to the viewpoint that's up there. So welcome to Hong Island. It's so beautiful. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning, and he said to meet back at the boat at 1, so we have about 2 hours to explore the island, walk around, go up to the viewpoint, eat our lunches. We just brought lunch. Lunch is not included in our tour today, but we have done tours where they provide you lunch on this island. So that's an option if you want to do that. Let's explore. So Hong Island is part of the national park.
You're gonna go summit like a boss. You have to know how to do it.
How do you summit like a boss?
You take a little break just before you summit, so that when you walk up, you look like you're just strolling along. You don't want to be all out of breath when you summit, because it's just bad form. So in Africa, so not like this is what I'm saying.
So a little backstory, my dad has hiked the PCT, which if you don't know what the PCT is, it is a hike from the southern border of California, all the way through California, all the way through Oregon, and then you end on the Canadian border. in Washington. It's a little back story of my father.
If you summit in Africa, we have lots of baboons, so you have to go up aggressively and then start yelling, like to assert dominance.
All right, so let's see.
Well, you always read the plaque.
Always read the plaque.
Always read the plaque.
Hosting.
See that sweat? Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. That's how you know you're working.
Not as hard as I was thinking it was going to be, but definitely just the heat is making it a challenge.
My watch started a cycling workout from that without even trying. And then look at this, what you got. And then you can go down and get a little coconut water on the beach. Let's go.
It's amazing. I'm so happy that my family's here to see it, because Gustav and I have already seen this and done it, and to share it with other people is always so special. Maybe some of you can relate to that, sharing your favorite part of the world with your people. Monitor lizard down there.
What is it? Dinner.
Oh, reptile.
Isn't it the best coconut I've had? It's not that sweet, but it's still good. And it's got nice young coconut meat.
Now we are heading back to our boat to go over to a different island. I'm not sure of the name, but I will let you know later.
This is called sapalot in Thai, pineapple, and they're delicious.
So we are in Hong Lagoon, right near Hong Island, and it is so beautiful. The water is this like almost turquoise blue, greenish water, and we're just fully surrounded by limestone karst. Some birds flying up there. It's so beautiful. And do not mind my massive pole, because you're gonna see it with how cool it looks with the Insta way up there. So we just arrived on Lading Island. He said that we're gonna be here for about an hour, and he said on the other side we can walk across the island and then we can snorkel a little bit. So we grabbed our snorkels. It looks super beautiful. I mean, it's lush green all around, palm trees. I'm excited.
Nice. I think we're going to the next snorkeling spot, which is going to be pretty sweet.
So just arrived on Pakbia Island, part of the national park. So beautiful. Has this little sandbar that goes over to this island. And of course, islands all around. And there's our boat just there. It's really only like 5-10 minute rides in between each island. So it's really nice, it's just fast. Once we've been over here, over on Hong Island, it's just been 5 minutes to the next island, 5 minutes to the next island, and then we just chill. He did say though that there is the 5 island tour or the 4 island tour, and that's the one that also goes to Chicken Island and a few of those other islands over in that spot. And he said the snorkeling is better for that one. So he said that the Hong Island tour is way better for relaxing and chilling and just chilling in beautiful areas. So that's been really fun. We did get to snorkel a little bit, but he did say that the other island tour is going to be better for those people who want to really get the good snorkel spots. And we have done that one before too, and both are really awesome. So it's just up to you what you want. Do you want to relax more, or do you want to snorkel a little bit more? It's up to your own preference. Overall, fantastic day. We're just had the best time today. It's been super fun. 100% recommend doing an island tour, some sort of island tour when you're in Krabi, because it's just so beautiful and they just plan everything for you and get you from all the different islands, and it's a really good time. And it's so stunning. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We're just going to head back to Krabi town now. This is the end of the video for today. If you want to do a Hong Island tour, we 100,000% recommend it because it's so much fun, such an easy thing to do. You just hop on the boat and they take care of everything. That is just an incredible way to travel in this area because you can see so much and you can see the beauty of this area. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you want to follow more of our adventures. Thank you so much and goodbye.
Great. Gonna have a pie noodle. Not as much flavor as the U.S. version. Have a little more corn taste, would you say? It's very corny. They're corny. Also just got done going to an outdoor urinal. Apparently very common, but unique for me. I mean, I've peed in the outdoors and on the side of buildings, but never in an organized way. Oh, I washed my hands too, so. The very last beach, I kicked the bottom of the ocean, and the bottom of the ocean is like a piece of lava. It's very sharp, and it hurt. So be careful out there. Take care of your feet. You never know when the bottom's gonna come up and